I'm going to dive in. Today's topic is the 8 steps that I use before even diving in to determine if we should move forward with an event or not. And that could be in the context of, should I host an event? Should I put my time, energy, resources into this event? Should I exhibit, especially if you are considering taking a sponsorship opportunity? Number one, know your 6 W's, why you're doing the event in the first place, and that's going to define the purpose. Number 2 is rank your 7 C's. Again, if you're just jumping on and not sure what these mean, either watch the replay or drop a link and I can send you more resources. So number 2, rank your 7 C's. Number 3, define your pre, your during, and your post customer journey. What is the strategy before, during, and after the event? Number 4, now that you have a clear purpose and clear objectives, create your goals and your KPIs, your key performance indicators. How are you going to reach those goals around those objectives? Number 5, just so you know, I have my cheat sheet here. I'll read them off. Create expectations and the process for efficient meetings. So this is to make sure that you know who is doing what in your team, whether it's internal or external. Make sure that you have efficient processes for project management before you dive in. Clarify your logistics as to who needs to be where and when, what needs to be where and how. Bring on an event planner, bring somebody on in your team to manage all of those aspects. Number 7 is to execute the 6 foundations. Again, the 6 foundations: strategy, logistics, your outreach, your nurturing, your sales, and your metrics all together. And then number 8, connect with me, whether it is on Facebook, LinkedIn, send me a message. If you have questions about events, using them as a business strategy, feel free to reach out and I would be more than happy to send some more resources. So drop in the comments why you struggle most or why you hesitate to use events. If it's something that you want to consider, but maybe it hasn't worked out in the past, or maybe it's something that you're not sure if you'll actually recoup the investment.